The first place goes to Jaron Colasso. The second place goes to Ami Morjikar. The third place goes to Jivo, 3 decades traditional plant. This winners of the club and institution category. First place goes to Generation Boys Kalangut. Second place goes to Our Lady of Victory Revara Forest Fire. And the third place goes to Save Goa Heritage. The winners of the family category. The first place goes to Adelio Vasta. The second place goes to Bollywood characters. And the third place goes to Asaka Boys. Winners of the junk car category. First place goes to Nano car back driving. Second place goes to Korea bus. And the third place goes to Say No to Mobile.
Thank you. Now I'll read out the names of winners of Porvarium Center. In traditional category, the first prize goes to Sineta D'Souza. Second prize goes to Jackson Fernandez. Third prize goes to Jaron Colasso. In institution category, the first prize goes to Chidambaram Naik. Second prize goes to Snehalo Gracias. Third prize goes to Rovina Barre. In family category, first prize goes to Sefali Asodkar. Second prize goes to Blanska Ribelo. Third prize goes to Joseph Rodriguez. In clown joker category, first prize goes to Rava Natekar. 3 boys Benaulim, Goa Chelsea Fernandez, Goa Chelsea Francis. Second prize goes to Asal Squad, Plessy Gudino e Norona. and clown national bird. In the club institution category, first prize goes to Indian Navy, Ashok Anand. Second prize goes to Save Goan Heritage by Rowena Barreto. Third prize goes to Plancy Norona. In the fun junk category, the first prize goes to Lenin Ferrao. Second prize goes to Teres. Third prize goes to Denzil Carolo. This is the result of Vasco Center. We have result of minor category center, that is Morjim. In the traditional category, the first prize goes to Sectus Brito. Second prize goes to Jackson Fernandez. Third prize goes to Umakant Poke. In the institution category, the first prize goes to CAC Boys by Rowena Barreto. Second prize goes to Generation Boys by Joseph Ivan. Third prize goes to Joe Max Brothers. In the family category, first prize goes to Filmi Sukurkar. Second prize goes to Bompet Club Snehalo Gracias. Third prize goes to St. Francis Xavier Boys. In the clown joker category, first prize goes to Marcelino Fernandez. Second prize goes to Nicolau de Souza. Third prize goes to Simorens Groes. In clown joker category, first prize goes to Judas Charles. Second prize goes to Lenin Ferrao. Third prize goes to Debao Mangaonkar. This is the this we are announced the result of all the centers Carnival float parade in various categories. We have collected ID proof of all the winners and bank details. So whoever has not given ID proof or bank detail yet, the Department of Tourism will obtain from them, or they can submit it to the Department of Tourism, and Department of Tourism will coordinate with all the winners. So thank you very much all the media persons for attending this press, and this result will be also published in the local newspaper through press note. Thank you very much.
Thank you.